Hello, Earth System Science classes. I hope this message finds you well this week. You have two things on your agenda. They should be straightforward. They're found, as always, in Classroom. Most of them are digital documents. I was going to quickly walk through how to do them. The first one looks like this. It is a EM spectrum, or the electromagnetic spectrum series of Edpuzzle videos. You should be able to click on the links within the document to access the file, or to access the video itself, and it should take you to the direct video. If it does not, these are assigned to you in our open class on Google Classroom, which you can access from the resources tab. So if it doesn't take you directly to that video, you could click on resources in Google Classroom and go to the Edpuzzle open class. That should be specific to our class. Go ahead and watch those 3 EM spectrum related videos talking about the importance of electromagnetic radiation in its role in climate, and then answer this reflection down at the bottom. There's going to be 3 questions that you still have, or 3 things that you learned from the videos, hopefully. But you should come away with a good understanding of the importance of EM spectrum in the greenhouse effect. The second part of this week is, if I can go back up here, it's going to be this digital copy of It's All About Carbon. That's going to be a document that looks like this. It's a series of 5 simple YouTube videos that talk about the importance of carbon and the role that it plays in global atmospheric climate change. You will access this document. You have your own copy of it. You simply click on this blue link at the top to get to the playlist of the YouTube videos. You watch each video, answer the questions within each episode, and then you draw or you insert images that relate to each episode. To do that, you have 3 options. The first option, draw by hand. You could take an extra sheet of paper, draw something by hand to represent the episode. Then when you're done, that image goes in these bottom boxes. You'll need at least 5 of them. If you draw it by hand, you'll simply hit Insert, Image, Camera. If you click on the camera piece, you can just simply hold up the drawing that you made. If you want to insert a Google image, that's very easy. Just open up another tab, copy an image into that box. Or the final option is to insert a drawing. To do that, you would hit Insert, Drawing, New, and then you could start doing your drawing here by setting some parameters for how to draw. Change that. As always, if you have questions, send me an email. You guys are doing great so far. Again, miss seeing everyone in real life, but just keep on keeping on. Thanks.